Okay, yesterday we talked about groups of 10, and so today we're going to talk about some 10 ones and extra ones, okay? But before we do that, I want you to look up here, think in your head how many dots there are. One more is 2, very good. How many dots? One more is 5, very good. How many dots? 3. One more is, very good. How many dots? One more is, very good. How many dots? One more is, very good. How many dots? Good. One more is 8, very good. How many dots? One more is 9, very good. How many dots? 6. One more is 7, very good. How many dots? 9, very good. One more is, very good, 10. This time I'm going to show you it, and I just want you to show me with your hands how many more. So if I showed you this one, you would be going like this to me, okay? To show me one more of 9 is 10. Does that make sense? So you're showing me not the number on the card, you're showing me one more with your fingers saying it out loud. So, show me one more. Good, you should have 6, and then say that. 6! All right, here we go. Let's try another one. 2, very good. Show it to me. 4, very good. 10, very good. 7, nice job. One more is 8, good work. One more is, very good. One more is, very good. Show me with those fingers. One more is, very good, very good. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to pause the video now and have your parents give you a handful of something, not count it before, just give you a handful. So it could be a handful of rocks or markers, or just a handful of toys. They don't all have to be the same thing, just a handful. And I want you to separate them into groups of 10, okay? So separate them, count them by 10, put it in a pile. Count 10 more, put them in a pile, okay? And tell me what you sorted and how many piles of 10 did you make, okay? So you can either videotape yourself telling me, or you can type it in, or you can write it down, however you want to do that. Take a picture and send it to me so that I can see that you've counted groups of 10, okay? Today, I need you to get a pencil and paper. We're going to talk about 10 ones and some ones. So I need you to go ahead and do 10. 10 ones. And we're going to call this 10 ones. You don't have to write ones. Okay, 10 ones. And now we're going to talk about some ones. So like if I had 10 ones, and then let's say I'm making groups of 10 like you were supposed to do just now. You made groups of 10 and all of a sudden they didn't go perfectly into that group of 10. You had some extra. Those are your some ones. So let's say we had a group, this is what you sorted. You sorted rocks and you had 10 rocks, and then you had how many extra that didn't fit into that group of 10? 3, that's right. So then you have 3 ones. So I have 10 ones and 3 ones, okay? So you made a group of 10, and then this is your leftover stuff, okay? Get it? Okay. So, I want you to copy mine. So we have a full tens frame here, and we have 6 ones here. And we're gonna call this 10 ones. And then how many extra? Yes, they didn't fit into the pile. Okay, so we have 10 ones and 6 ones. Okay, that makes sense? Okay, let's do one more. Full tens frame. Four extra. So this we'll say we have 10 ones, and then how many extra ones? 4. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is have your parents give you, again, a group of less than 20 of an item, like the rocks or the Legos or markers. And I want you to separate it into 10 ones, a group of 10, and then how many extra ones. I have 10 ones and 5 ones. I have 10 ones and 9 ones. Separate them now into your group of 10 and your extra left over. Okay? All right? And if you can do that a couple times, that'd be great. And then there's a couple, there's a worksheet or two there attached on to continue this skill. All right, have a great Wednesday.